Hey designers, in this tutorial, we'll create a stunning transition effect in Adobe Premiere Pro quickly and easily. To start, import the two images or videos you want to work with. I'll be using these two landscape shots. Drag and drop them onto the timeline. Position the playhead indicator between the two layers, where one layer ends and the other begins. Create a new adjustment layer and drag it onto the timeline, ensuring it's placed between the two layers. Trim the adjustment layer to match the duration of your transition. Move the playhead indicator to the center of this layer. After you have adjusted the adjustment layer, move the bar indicator in the center of this and go to Effects. If you cannot find Effects, say you will find it in the Windows or you just press Shift-7 to have it here in the Effects. In the Effects search bar, type Lens Distortion and apply this effect to the adjustment layer. Go to Effect Controls, click on the stopwatch next to Curvature and set the value to -50. Move the playhead indicator to the first frame and reset the value to 0. Then, move to the last frame and reset again. Select the first and last frame, right-click, and select Bezier. Let's enhance our transition further by adding another effect. Search for Brightness and Contrast in the Effects panel and apply it to the adjustment layer. Ensure the playhead indicator is in the center. Click on the stopwatch icon next to Brightness and set the value to 50. Move to the first frame and reset to 0, then move to the last frame and reset again. Check out your amazing transition, it's now complete. If you liked this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs for more tutorials.